It's not every day you see something that makes you stop in your tracks, rub your eyes, and think, wait, what did I just see? Well, that's exactly what happens the first time you spot the 2026 Cyrs Tricycle Camper RV. This isn't just another quirky vehicle, it's a rolling piece of future meets fantasy that turns heads everywhere it goes. Imagine the freedom of an RV, the agility of a tricycle, and the personality of something built by a visionary who refused to follow the rules. That's Cyrs for you, known for creating designs that make you rethink what's possible on three wheels. At first glance, it looks almost too compact to be real. Three wheels, a sleek aerodynamic frame, and a camper pod that seems to have been plucked straight out of a sci-fi film. But get closer, and the magic unfolds, solar panels glinting in the sun, handcrafted details in the bodywork, and a layout that proves you don't need a giant RV to live large. Kevin has packed in everything. A convertible bed, a micro kitchen, storage that's smarter than anything you've seen, and even a fold-out deck so you can sip your morning coffee with a view. And the engineering? Oh, it's clever. The lightweight composite body keeps it fast and nimble, while the electric-assisted pedaling system means you can cruise without breaking a sweat. Want to go fully electric? No problem, there's a hub motor that can take you farther than you'd expect, silently and effortlessly. And for those who want pure pedal power, it's built with gearing that can handle city streets or country hills without making you feel like you're dragging a house behind you. What really sets it apart, though, is the vibe. This is not a vehicle for someone who wants to blend in. When you're on the road with the 2026 Cyrs Tricycle Camper RV, people stare. They point. They ask questions. You become the story. Because it's so rare, so different, that everyone wants to know where you got it, how it works, and whether they can take it for a spin. And here's the thing, there's a certain joy that comes with something like this. It's not just about transportation, it's about a lifestyle. No parking nightmares like with a full-size RV, no crazy fuel bills, and no limit to where you can explore. You can slip into hidden camp spots, navigate narrow trails, and park practically anywhere. For the traveler who values freedom over excess, it's a dream come true. The 2026 Cyrs Tricycle Camper RV is rare, not just because there aren't many out there, but because it represents a mindset. It's about breaking away from the normal way of doing things, living simply, and making the road your home, on your terms. And in a world where everyone's chasing bigger, louder, and flashier, this little three-wheeled wonder reminds us that sometimes, less really is more. If you saw this coming down the road, you'd stop